The ultimate Bammby dating app review. Tutorial from 0 to pro in 1 minute. When it comes to dating apps, most people get this wrong. They think signing up is enough. But real success comes from knowing how the app works and how to stand out. If you're curious about Bammby, here's the simple truth. It's designed to help you match quickly with people who share your interests and communication style. Getting started is easy. Download the app, create your profile and upload a few clear photos of yourself. You won't believe the difference great lighting can make in your first impression. Take a moment to write a short but honest bio. Mention what you enjoy, your sense of humor or something unique that sparks conversation. Next, explore match suggestions. Bammby focuses on convenience, giving you a feed of profiles to like or skip. Most people rush the step, but here's why you shouldn't. The more thoughtful your likes are, the more accurate your future matches become. Algorithms learn from your choices. Once you match with someone, message them right away. Don't just say hi. Ask a fun question or reference something from their profile. The surprising truth? Engaging openers get far more responses than one-word greetings. Safety matters too. Keep personal info private until trust is built. Use in-app communication and meet in public places if things move offline. Smart dating is successful dating. In conclusion, Bammby can take you from 0 to pro by helping you connect fast, but results depend on how you present yourself and how you interact. Be genuine, stay positive, and show curiosity. Love doesn't need perfect lines or stage photos, just real people and real conversation.